Hello. Hi. Good evening, everyone. So we already done multiple videos. Like for each project, we have given one video, and as well as how to start the Eclipse, we given one video, and as well as what is the each software advantage, we given one video. So now we got a request from your batchmates. So one more request we got. So that is right. So if how to edit the project heading title. For example, like I'm taking now Aquila laptop. So for example, in Aquila laptop is like e-commerce compliance system. So if she want to change her heading as a online compliance instead of e-commerce, she want to change it as online compliance. So e-commerce compliance management system is there, right? So instead of e-commerce compliance, so management system, she want to keep here online compliance. Not only that project, for example, many projects they want to change small. For example, online examination system. We given as an online examination system. For example, you want to keep Mother Teresa College of Engineering as a heading and you want to keep small heading as an online examination system. Yes, that is also possible. So if you want to change, for example, like e-commerce compliance or online compliance, both are same. But if you want to change it your name, so there is a two ways to change the name. First option, for example, this page you can see from where it is loading. So obviously you can observe this URL. In the if you are observing the URL, local host is there first. So local host means like from where it is running. Local host means your laptop. Your code is running from your laptop. Then after that 8080 is there. 8080 is a default port of the project. In some laptops we configured 8080. In some laptops we configured 8085 because that is calling as that is based on your system. Like if 8080 is already occupied, we configured with 8085 for few of them. Then next one is like a project name. In Eclipse, with which name we given for your project, with that name, this URL also will open here. In Eclipse, for example, if you give ABCD, here it will come ABCD. So whatever you given in Eclipse, that name will come. For example, if you observe here, e-commerce underscore compliance we given in Eclipse. So that will only will display in the browser. If you change it in the Eclipse, here this one also will get changed. This is the project name. Then what is this one? Admin login.jsp. This is calling as page name. So I'm repeating again. This is the localhost means your laptop. 8080 is your port number. E-commerce compliance is your project name. Admin login.jsp is your page name. So laptop name colon port number slash project name slash page name. This is the default structure, whatever it may be your project. Okay. So your server name colon port number slash project name slash page name. So now from where this page is coming, obviously from your web page. So what is your web page name? Admin login.jsp. If you open that admin login.jsp in Eclipse, you can see inside the web content, you can able to see the page admin login.jsp. If you double click, that page will open admin login.jsp. So if you want to change the title, there is a title tag will be there. See, inside the title, it is got changed. So if you change, what is the use of the title in the sense? If you change the title, here display name in the browser here it's displaying online compliance. This name will get changed. So if you want whatever you want to display in the browser, for example, here e-commerce compliance is there. Once we change the title, what is coming? Online compliance. So so this name, whatever is displaying in the browser on top, that is coming from title. So if you change the title, that name will get changed. For example, if you are to change online compliance Aquila, so it will come online compliance Aquila like that. So whatever you are giving the name, that is the name will appear here. One second, the laptop is not, Eclipse is not responding. Just will wait. Okay, so from there you can able to do that one. For example, online complaints icon Aquila. Sorry, spelling mistake. For example, I given Aki. So online complaints. Okay. So if you open the browser, if you refresh the page, your title will get changed. Okay, that is calling a title. Then how to change the heading? So in most of the projects, this is configured as a see online complaints are key came. So you understood now title. So that is calling a title. So and if you are coming as a project heading, so project heading in most of the project it's configured as H1 or H2 tag. So if it is H1 or H2 tag, you can search with your project name. For example, you can select here Control F and you can search with your project name. So e-commerce complaint, wherever e-commerce complaint is there, you can change it as online complaint. So we given many projects, we given it as it is a text. H1 text or H2 text. So what is H1? What is H2? I think you know this is heading tags H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. I think you know HTML. So these are the heading tags. So you can able to change that heading and you can able to do it. Now in some project, for example, now how it is coming in our project. So this is not coming from heading. It is coming as a there is no text e-commerce complaint in our project. So how it is coming in the sense it is coming as a image heading image. So in such case, what I am going to do? 1 second. It is coming as a heading. So if it is coming as heading, so what you can able to do? So wherever that image, so you have to create one image, create a image and upload under images folder in the left side. For example, now I have created image. Okay, for example, that image name is online complaints. Once we created, I think it is like she created some image online complaints. So we uploaded that image. So that is calling as hh.jpg. Create a image and you can upload the image. See online complaint management system. So once you uploaded online complaint management system, you can able to write that. How to do how to write that one in the sense. Wherever you want to do that one. So wherever you want to do, you have to go to that line. So it means like in the body, I think you want to get in the heading, right? So you have to go to the body top inside the body tag, you have to go to the top and you have to write the script. So yeah, if it is there as a text, you are editing the text. If it is there as a image, you have to replace with another image. IMG, you know, IMG means image tag. SRC is equal to what is our file name? inside the images. Just now it's on to you. hh.jpg, right? And how you want width is equal to 100 percentage. Then you have to close slash, then you have to put greater than. Control S. Then come to your browser, just refresh. See, now online complaint management system came instead of e-commerce complaints e-commerce. So like that you can able to change. So you may ask here, sorry, in e-commerce complaint management system is coming, width is okay, but height is coming like that is less, this is right, more coming. So in such cases, we can, what you can do, you can able to specify width in pixels, height in pixels. No, if you are not able to specify height in pixel, whenever you are creating the image also, you can able to make that one. You can able to adjust that one. Whenever you are creating image itself, you can able to resize. If you are giving, for example, e-commerce compliance, you want to replace with online compliance. You can see in e-commerce compliance, what is the height and width is there. So whenever you are creating online compliance also, create the image with the same height and same width, so that it will get adjust. Otherwise, height is equal to height is equal to, I'm giving pixels, 200 pixels. So due to internet slow, it's taking in our system some time. Just wait with patience. I could have recorded from my laptop, but I have taken our laptop. That is the reason it's. I given 200 pixels. Sir, we have to give 200 in the sense there is no limit. You can give as per your height. So if 200 is not adjusted, try with 250, 300 like that. It is not adjusted. So what we are to do, yes, see, I given 200 means this much came. Now if you are giving, I think this is 2 means, this is if you are giving 270, 280, it will get adjusted. You got it? So 200 you given. Now try with 250, 270, 280 like that. You can able to try. So it will get adjust with one of the place. So if you are coming like that Blazor, so better what you do, whenever she created the image, she given in the top side less space and bottom she given more space. So whenever you are creating, try to keep it in middle and try to give. So this will kind of problem won't come. Now understood? So see, we changed it from e-commerce complaint management, e-commerce complaint to online complaint management system. So we done only one tag, IMG src is equal to your image name .jpg, width is equal to, and height is equal to. That's it. Width is equal to and height is equal to. So you can able to create now image. So any queries? So if you have any queries, you can just let us know. So we'll create a video and we will share to you if you have any queries. So now you can able to change your project title. For example, you can change e-commerce complaint to online complaint. You want to change uh, examination to online Mother Teresa examination. Like that, you can able to change your names. I think many of them, like I think Akila, Roja, these people are requested how to change the name. So we have created a video and we are sharing to you. You can follow, remind people accordingly. So thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have any okay, if you want to learn more things, so please subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is I'm pinging in the WhatsApp group. Next time onwards, I won't ping in WhatsApp group. So just I will just upload in the Facebook or on the YouTube. So you can follow our Facebook or YouTube. Okay, thank you so much.